So welcome to video one. Don't know what I was doing there, but one. This video we will talk about the companion plants that will repel non-beneficial insects that come into our garden. Non-beneficials, things like moths and mosquitoes and aphids. There are plants that will repel them, but then there's also plants that will attract in the beneficials. For example, alyssum attracting in the hoverflies that will eat the aphids and the whitefly, or lavender that will attract in the bees, but they repel the flies or mosquitoes. So stay tuned. In the Ultimate Garden Guide, we go over 5 of them. For example, marigolds and tomatoes. Marigolds repel the tomato worms and the nematodes, or you've got basil and tomatoes. So be able to not only enhance flavours and work together in delicious pestos, but the basil repels tomato hornworms and flies, or nasturtiums and cabbage. Now I have written it in here that it repels aphids, nasturtium, and it may repel like the whiteflies, but it actually encourages aphids to go and nest and sit on them, as opposed to going and eating your cabbages or your brassicas. So nasturtium is like a trap crop. And garlic and carrot. So garlic repels with the scent, the carrot flies. And the other one is chives and carrots. So again, chive works well to deter the aphids and carrot flies. So how these ones work is they work by scent. The strong odours can repel ones that are non-beneficial. For example, marigold scent. It deters a lot of pests. You know, if you want to deter aphids, plant a marigold. If you want to deter flies or mosquitoes, plant basil, lemon balm and lavender. And if you want to repel moths and mozzies from around you, lavender. I think I mentioned that a wee bit earlier. Then there's also for aphids, there's also alyssum, there's also garlic, and there's also chives. So this one, pest control. Think of anything with a scent, beautiful scent. You've got your lavender, you've got basil, you've got myriad of herbs, you have marigolds, you've got calendula. There are so many different ones that you can work together to provide natural pest control by inviting in beneficial insects or repelling the non-beneficial ones. Any questions, let me know.